Welcome to the Integrity Vision. In our previous videos, we stated that half of all organizational change initiatives fail. So we've dedicated the last two videos to exploring the root causes of why many organizations do not succeed in this area. What we didn't mention, however, is what results those companies with good change management will achieve. According to the global leaders in change management, organizations with excellent change management are 7 times more likely to achieve their goals, 5 times more able to stay on or ahead of their schedule, 2 times closer to staying on or under their budget. That is why today's video is about creating a proper change management plan, which our expert Olha will help us with. But before we get to the main part of this video, we invite you to subscribe to our channel. Here, you'll not only find the answers to popular questions amongst the fans of information technology and digitalization, but also learn about Integrity Vision's success stories in business process automation, KYC policy, and many more. And now, let's get back to our question and find out how to create a change management plan.
First of all, you need to understand why you need to change, what you need to change, and then you build your change management team involving the key people who will drive your change management plan in your organization. Develop the change management plan step by step. Develop the communication strategy plan. After that, implement your change management plan. Evaluate, measure, and review.
Our team would be very grateful for your likes and comments. If you have any questions, then you can fill out a simple form on our website and we will get back to you. You can find the link to our website in the video description.